Alright, 43 pounds out of 55 pounds. Alright, that's pretty good. The bullet jacket material, that's 20 pounds. Alright, it's dirty looking. We didn't know what we were doing. We've got this. I feel like it's a success and something that we've worked with. But do you want to see what you can do with 7 pounds of nothing but 9mm brass tomorrow? 7 pounds, there's 110 rounds unprimed per pound of 9mm. So we got 770 rounds here. And this will fill our crucible up to the top. Tomorrow, that's what we're going to be doing. You'll see us tomorrow. We're going to shut down for the day, and we'll get right back with you tomorrow. Thank you for watching.